In MySQL, we have the option to count rows while selecting records from our tables. This is the structure of the command that we will be going to the terminal and using it in a real example. Here I'm logged into the MySQL server. I'm using MySQL tutorials database. Inside this database we have a table called grades that has some records in it. Also a student underscore ID and grade are two of the columns for this table that we want to use in our select command. Let's see how we can use the count option to select between these records. What we are looking for is the students that have grade A. Since a student ID is a unique field and there's no two records similar to each other in this, so when we are searching based on the student IDs, when we count them, we can ensure that each record is representing a unique separated student. So to count them, we can do select count. Inside the parentheses we can mention the name of the unique field, and then as SID, this is optional, you can name it whatever you want, and then from grades, that is the name of the table. Now we want to add a where clause and say where grade equals A. And this command will return all students with grade A. And as you see, we have two students with this grade here that is returned correctly by the count option. Of course, we can use the count option in more sophisticated commands, but this is a simple example of using this option in our select commands.